How to recognize my soulmate. How can I know if the person I am thinking about night and day is my soulmate? We're meant to be together? Are we perfect for each other? How can I know and confirm that he is the right person for me? How to recognize my soulmate? This is a question that is not easy to answer. You may have previously been guided by your heart, your instincts, and in the end, your prince became a frog. You no longer know what to look for in order to say, go ahead, to a relationship. Finding your soulmate is not a matter of magic but of being open to the most unexpected. It could be a man of another race or culture, of different age, of another social status, etc. It is also not necessary that he has the same interests as you, nor the same tastes. It could be your lifelong friend or someone you met yesterday. So what? How will I know if he is my soulmate? Questions to ask yourself to help you know if someone is your soulmate. 1. Does he make me feel comfortable? Your soulmate will be someone with whom you can be yourself, to relax, to talk about any topic, to express yourself openly. 2. Does he drive you? It is difficult to explain why, but with some relationships, we feel limited, as in a cage. You must not be with someone who blocks you. 3. Do I feel happy? Being calm, confident and happy is essential, both when you are with him and when you are separated. 4. Do you perceive a special connection? As if you knew each other all your lives, as if you could read each other your thoughts. If instead of feeling this way, to understand him as forced to you, strange and even confused, he may not be your soulmate. 5. Do you feel confident? It is a good sign to discover that instead of being overwhelmed by doubts and fears, you are living a relationship with serenity and full confidence. 6. Does he challenge you? The best person for you is not the one who agrees with you in everything. It is very possible that it is someone who argues your ideas, who demands from you, who argues with you, etc., but always to help you grow and mature, not to crush you. 7. Is there respect and admiration? No healthy relationship can be built without a good dose of genuine respect, an appreciation of who the other person is, a deep and mutual admiration. Finding a person you can connect with in this way is a gift from heaven. When you find it, do not let it escape. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.